Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. This video covers my personal experience with LendingClub Investing Notes, review my usage experience. LendingClub Investing Notes offers a platform for investing in short-term personal loans. It's aimed at investors looking for potentially higher returns than traditional savings accounts, but with a corresponding level of risk. Key features include automated investing options, portfolio diversification tools, and detailed loan performance data. Their website provides details on the risk factors involved. LendingClub positions itself as a user-friendly platform for peer-to-peer lending. They emphasize transparency with clearly stated fees and no hidden charges. The website highlights the potential returns and offers educational resources to help investors understand the risks involved. Availability is nationwide for US residents. They don't boast a specific technology but offer a relatively straightforward, web-based interface. Now, let's talk about my personal experience using LendingClub Investing Notes. Getting started was surprisingly easy. The sign-up process was straightforward, and I was able to link my bank account within minutes. Navigating the interface was also intuitive. The dashboard clearly displayed my portfolio performance, individual loan details, and my overall returns. I particularly appreciated the ability to filter loans based on factors like interest rate, grade, and loan term. I found the process of investing quite simple. I set up an automated investment strategy based on my risk tolerance, and the system automatically allocated my funds to different loans. Performance-wise, it's been steady, although as expected, there have been some minor fluctuations. I haven't experienced any significant issues with speed or reliability. I had a quick question about a specific loan and their support responded within 2 days via email, which was perfectly acceptable. One minor drawback was the somewhat limited mobile app functionality. Most of my interaction happened via the desktop site. The standout feature for me was definitely the detailed reporting and analytics. It's really helpful to track my investment performance over time. Overall, I'm quite satisfied with LendingClub Investing. While it's important to remember the inherent risks involved in peer-to-peer lending, the platform itself is well designed and easy to use. That's my overview of LendingClub Investing Notes, review my usage experience. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Rome Tips for more reviews and tech tips. Check the description for any relevant links. Thanks for watching.